$4.5 billion US, life on Earth's weirdest ship. Life aboard the $4.5 billion stealth ship is a unique experience filled with cutting-edge technology. Inside this ship, there are a myriad of sophisticated systems and a well-trained crew to operate them. Every day, they follow a strict routine and are dedicated to maintaining security, protecting ships, and carrying out important missions. When stepping into the ship, you will immediately be amazed by the silence and darkness that envelop the ship's corridors. Its design is optimized to minimize radar and acoustic signature, making it nearly invisible in the middle of the ocean, making it especially suitable for operating in water areas full of potential threats. After passing through the armored doors, you will enter the crew's living area. This is where they live and rest after carrying out their duties. Their cabins are designed for comfort and efficiency despite limited space. Amid the ship, there is a recreation area equipped with a gym, exercise room, and other entertainment facilities to help the crew relieve stress and maintain their physical fitness. Mission communication and control is carried out through a command center equipped with the most advanced communication and data analysis systems. Here, officers monitor the situation around the ship, analyze intelligence, and coordinate actions that need to be taken. Large screens display a complete picture of enemy ships, weather, and other important information required for a successful mission. Not far from the command center is the weapons room, which houses the ship's state-of-the-art weapons systems. They are equipped with anti-ship missiles, torpedoes, and possibly even directed energy weapons. All of these systems are controlled by well-trained crews, who ensure that every weapon operation is carried out with precision and safety. Life aboard this stealth ship is highly dependent on good logistics. Supplies of food, water, and fuel must be maintained for extended missions at sea. This ship is also equipped with adequate medical facilities to treat sick or injured crew during their voyage. In addition, crew training and readiness is very important on this ship. They should regularly take part in drills, simulations, and war games to sharpen their skills and increase operational readiness. When not on duty, time is spent studying and honing skills in related fields. This $4.5 billion stealth ship has an extraordinary multi-mission capability. These ships can be used for anti-submarine warfare, attack, intelligence gathering, surveillance, or recognition. Flexibility is a hallmark of this ship, allowing it to adapt quickly to changing threats and situations. While living aboard the $4.5 billion stealth ship is an uphill challenge, the crew on this ship takes incomparable pride in carrying out their duties. They are heroes who work behind the scenes, maintaining security and carrying out operations that are crucial for the country's interests. This $4.5 billion stealth ship is a symbol of advances in military technology. In it, life takes place amidst the most advanced systems and equipment. However, what is more important is the ship's crew, who with their dedication and courage guard the ship and carry out important tasks to maintain sea peace and security.
Military Combat News newspaper brings you the latest breaking news videos and explainers from the UK and around the world. Be a loyal subscriber of Military Battle News and press the bell to be first on our news.